warp drive is a hypothetical faster-than-light or FTL propulsion system. A spacecraft equipped with a warp-time drive may travel at speeds greater or by many orders of magnitude than that of the speed of light, while circumventing the relativistic problem of time dilation. In contrast to many other FTL technologies, such as the jump drive or the infinite improbability drive, the warp drive does not permit the instantaneous travel between 2 points. Instead, warp drive technology creates an artificial bubble of normal space-time, which surrounds the spacecraft as opposed to entering a separate realm or dimension like hyperspace. Welcome back. Welcome. What can I do? What do you want to do today? Wonderful. Yellow alert. You should consider leaving. The ship is damaged. You sound a little tense. You're welcome. Your point? Your theory is flawed. You've made another mistake. Activating searchlights. Activating shield cell. Activating silent running. Affirmative. Cargo jettisoned. Confirmed. Self-destruct cancelled. Safety protocols engaged. Checking systems. Done. All systems nominal. All